It's easy to adopt software or AI tools when it allows one person to do 10x more work. It's really challenging when the system replaces entire sets of teams. In the long run, every company will look like founder or some set of really important kind of decision makers with agents, models, infrastructure, and the humans in the loop. And almost everyone's job is almost to train the systems that increasingly displace human roles. In the short term, human talent is going to be extremely important. And specifically, the senior level talent. One of the things that we anticipate will happen is the entry analyst roles are getting displaced because the companies are training the AI agents, right, versus actually the entry-level employees. There's a lot of talk about retraining, upskilling, but there's something quite unique about the pace of developments and how quickly these models are getting better. Today, there are a lot of amazing drugs that are discovered, and with AI, the discovery is only getting more efficient. A lot of drugs can't get developed because of the high cost and time of drug development. If every job in the pharmaceutical industry goes away, but we're able to do drug development drastically more efficiently, and we can get more medicines out to patients, cheaper, lower cost, because drug development is now not 2.6 billion for every new drug, it's a fraction because now you're scaling with AI versus humans. That's net good for the world. If we don't take a proactive approach, this displacement is going to first actually affect our young people, right? Because these are the analyst jobs that we talked about where Google, Microsoft, all these big companies are hiring less entry-level software engineers.